So I decided to go into engineering because I liked that there was a diversity in what you can do. You didn't have to be grounded to one specific path, and this is what you had to follow till the end of whatever your undergrad was going to get you to. I'm going to get the opportunity to interview an engineer who's in the position that I aspire to be in, and actually gain some insight as to what the life of an engineer would look like, and not just what I think it would be. I want to ask her like during her undergrad or like when she was studying, like how, like did she ever like doubt herself or like think like, oh hey, like should I continue this? You didn't just wake up and you're like, okay, I'm gonna be an engineer, and then 5 years later you had the degree. Like, if only it worked that way, but.
Hi, I'm Laura.
I'm Rishega.
Nice to meet you. We'll just get you checked in over here.
Yeah. So when did you exactly know that, oh, okay, engineering is what the career that I wanted to pursue? Like, did you always know?
I think it was growing up. My dad's a geologist, so he was kind of doing lots of engineering that way. I think I was lucky enough, the engineering program, the summer camps that I went to were specifically for girls within the ages of grade 7s and 8s. So I did get the exposure there. And then going through high school with just being interested in the math and the physics aspect.
This job in particular, how exactly did you find out about it?
So for this job, I had just moved up or back down from northern Manitoba, and I had great operational experience there. I had good life experience there, but I needed something that was technical. So here I've got to experience a wide variety of projects. I just came back from a site where it was one of the first projects that I got to work on and help design. Seeing a project go full circle is pretty rewarding.
I feel like oftentimes it is intimidating to go into a field where you don't see a lot of female role models in the industry. So initially I did feel like, oh, do I belong here? Did I make the right choice? And over time, I focused more on the content itself as opposed to the people surrounding me. And the content is something that interests me, and it is something that I would like to learn and implement in the future. Hearing people's experiences and how they actually overcame like their struggles is something that's really personable, and I feel like if we were to hear about it, it's easier to see that, oh, like, you know, everyone goes through it, but it's you're able to get through these hurdles. How excited were you when you finally got the iron ring?
That was pretty exciting. So that's 4, or in my case 5 years of work.
Yeah. Is there any kind of specific advice that you would want to give future female engineers?
I feel like the biggest thing is not to be afraid of failure. Don't be afraid to try something that you're not comfortable with or that's out of your comfort zone. It'll help you be a better person. You'll build off of your past experiences.
It was amazing. I loved having the opportunity to talk to Laura and actually see like a female engineer in her workforce. If you work towards something and you feel like you're proficient enough in it, it's not wrong to just grow yourself and not be like afraid to like fail in something, or like feel like you weren't like successful in an aspect, I would say. And knowing that it is part of the journey and hearing it from someone who's actually experienced it is nice to hear, because you know that it's not just something that you're just telling yourself.